In this video, we shall see some key differences between a one-way slab and a two-way slab. 1. Span ratio. The easiest way to identify a slab is by its span ratio. If the longer span divided by the shorter span is greater than 2, it's a one-way slab. If the ratio is 2 or less, it's a two-way slab. 2. Load transfer. Now look at how the load travels. In a one-way slab, the load is transferred in only one direction to two opposite supports. In a two-way slab, the load is distributed in both directions and carried by all four supports. 3. Bending. Because of the load path, a one-way slab bends only in one direction. A two-way slab bends in two perpendicular directions, making it capable of sharing the load more efficiently. 4. Main reinforcement. In a one-way slab, the main reinforcement is provided along the shorter span because that's where bending is maximum. In a two-way slab, main reinforcement is provided in both directions since the slab bends both ways. 5. Distribution reinforcement. Here comes another important difference. In a one-way slab, the bars along the longer span are called distribution bars, mainly used to distribute loads and control shrinkage cracks. In a two-way slab, reinforcement in both directions acts as main reinforcement, so there are no separate distribution bars. 6. Support requirement. A one-way slab is mainly supported on two opposite sides. On the other hand, a two-way slab is supported on all four sides, allowing it to transfer loads in both directions. 7. Deflected shape. Watch the deflection. A one-way slab forms a cylindrical curve because it bends in one direction. A two-way slab forms a dish or bowl shape because it bends in both directions. 8. Steel requirement. Since a one-way slab requires main reinforcement in only one direction, it generally uses less steel. A two-way slab needs reinforcement in both directions, so more steel is required. 9. Economy. Economy depends on the room shape. One-way slabs are more economical for long rectangular rooms, while two-way slabs are more economical for square or nearly square rooms. 10. Construction. Construction is simpler in a one-way slab because of its straightforward reinforcement layout. A two-way slab has reinforcement in both directions, making it slightly more complex to construct. 11. Typical shape. A quick way to identify the slab type is by the room shape. Long rectangular rooms generally use one-way slabs, while square or nearly square rooms usually use two-way slabs. 12. Applications. In practice, one-way slabs are commonly used in corridors, balconies, verandas, and narrow rooms. Two-way slabs are widely used in living rooms, offices, hospitals, shopping malls, and large halls. And finally, remember this simple rule. If the load flows in one direction, it's a one-way slab. If it flows in two directions, it's a two-way slab. Understanding the load path makes identifying slab types easy.